x to the 4 equal to x plus 2 to the 4. We want to find x is what? When you have some numbers like this, x and x plus 2, one useful idea, and the powers are 4, is to consider midpoint of them or average of these two numbers. Means what? A equal to x plus 2 over 2. Average of the bases. So it will be 2x plus 2 over 2, and it will be x plus 1. So because a is x plus 1, we can consider that x is what in terms of a? If we subtract 1, from both sides, a minus 1 equal to x. Let's replace. X to the 4 is a minus 1 to the 4. And right side is x is a minus 1 plus 2a plus 1. And now it's better. Because it is negative 1 plus 1, we can cancel many similar terms. So, and another thing. Let's see. Can we find any answer for a? Here, check. Pause the video and try to find at least one answer for a. As you can see, a0 works. Okay? a0 works because both sides will be 1. And when a is 0, by definition of x, a and x, the relationship between them, x equal to a minus 1, which is negative 1. So one answer is this. Now let's expand this part. A minus 1 to the 4. Let me tell you an identity that is useful. It is, for example, a plus b any a plus any b to the 4 equal to a to the 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the 4. Now if we change, for example, these two minus, it will be minus, it will be minus, these two things will be minus, other things will be plus. Now let's calculate. We can say that a minus 1 to the 4, if we write, it will be a to the 4 because it is this minus 4a cubed plus 6a squared minus 4a plus 1. Right side is a to the 4 plus 4a cubed plus 6a squared plus 4a plus 1. Now let's cancel the things that we have on both sides. A to the 4, 1, 1, 6a squared, 6a squared. And now let's take all things to right hand side. 0 equal to. It is equal to 4a cubed plus 4a cubed. If you see negative 4a cubed, if you take it to right side, it will be 4a cubed plus 4a cubed, 8a cubed. And if you take negative 4a to right side, 4a plus 4a, 8a. And it is 0. We can divide both sides by 8 and switch left hand side and right hand side, a cubed plus a equal to 0. And then we've considered a equal to 0, so we can divide both sides by a because a is not 0. We've considered the case that a is 0. So a squared plus 1 is 0. So a squared, if you subtract by 1, a squared equal to negative 1. In next step, what can we do? We don't have any answer in real numbers. In complex numbers, we define I equal to root negative 1. So by this definition, a equal to plus minus root negative 1, which will be plus minus I. And because x is a minus 1, we can say x is plus minus I minus 1. So we found two other answers here. So in general, we found three answers for this problem: negative 1, plus minus I minus 1. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.